Hey guys, what is up? It is SuperPoner12341 here, and I am very excited because I'm bringing you one unboxing video, brand new one. You guys won't know what it is yet, but you guys will find the fuck out. Okay, so, anyways, I'm going to be recording Minecraft, Oregon Trail, maybe a couple other things, but yeah, I'm working on a new intro and shit. Windows Live Movie Maker. Who cares a fuck about the intro? Well, me, but, you know, I have a life too. Okay, maybe I don't, but still, sorry. Fuck. Air conditioner. Why must you piss me off? Alright, yeah. Anyways, bringing you 2 motherfucking unboxing videos. I mean, 1. Fuck. Maybe 2. Maybe Red Dead Redemption Game of the Year edition. Yeah, but still, alright, that's all I really wanted to say. Be sure to leave a rating, like this, comment, subscribe, the whole works. Alright? I love you guys. I love you, all my sexy YouTubers.